Good day and Salam Malaysia Madani. My name is Vignahara.
My name is Dilakshan.
We are from SJKT Segambut, Kuala Lumpur. We are very proud to participate in the Penang International Invention, Innovation and Design PIID 2025. Our title is Rain Saver, Solar Powered Rainwater Collector and Ripper.
Introduction. The Rain Saver is a solar-powered rainwater harvesting and irrigation system designed specially for school gardens.
It collects rainwater from rooftops, filters and stores it in a tank, and uses solar energy to power a drip irrigation system for plants.
This innovation was developed to address water scarcity and promote environmental education in schools.
By integrating solar technology with a simple rainwater system, it provides a sustainable off-grid solution. This is the plan of our innovation. The raindrop from the rooftop will go through the first fluid diverter, which is the gutter width mesh, then to the sediment filter, then to the storage tank, which is the drip irrigation pipe system, which is powered by the smart controller and the solar panel, and then it will drip the water to the plants.
Problem statement. Water scarcity in schools and unreliable supply for gardens. Need for a sustainable low-cost watering system. Importance of integrating environment education.
Objectives. Number 1. Collect and store rainwater using eco-friendly methods. Number 2. Use solar energy for automated drip irrigation. Number 3. Promote sustainability awareness among students. Number 4. Align with UN Sustainable Development Goals.
System features. Rooftop rainwaters collect first flush divider plus sediment filter. Storage tank covered durable. Solar powered drip irrigation with timer or controller. Affordable modular recyclable materials.
This is the system flow diagram. First, the rain collection, then the filtration, third, the storage, and last is the solar powered drip irrigation.
Off-grid solar powered drip irrigation. Water garden during weekend schools holiday. Combine green tech with system education. Hands-on learning for students.
Benefits and sustainability. Saves water and reduces utility bills, teaches environmental stewardship, supports school food gardens, align with SDGs 4, 6, 7, 11 and 13.
Commercialization potential. Scalable for schools, NGOs, CSR projects can be marketed as educational kits, opportunities for sponsorships and partnerships.
Acknowledgement. Special thanks to teachers, mentors and supporters who guided us in developing Rain Saver. Thank you.